Students, on the basis of today's lesson, I am going to give you 5 words. When the school will reopen, I will teach you and explain you the story line by line. But at present, online teaching is going on. So, you please note down these words, open your notebook and you please note down 5 words and find out the meanings and write the meanings of these words. The first word is bloated, B-L-O-A-T-E-D, bloated. The second word is malt, M-A-L-T, malt. The pronunciation is malt. Third word is regime, R-E-G-I-M-E, R-E-G-I-M-E, regime. The third word is tottering, T-O-T-T-E-R-I-N-G, tottering. And the fifth word is supper, S-U-P-P-E-R, supper. Now students, note down 5 short answer type questions. First question is, who is the author of the story? Who is the author of the story, A Triumph of Surgery? Who is the author of the story, A Triumph of Surgery? Question 2. Where the author met Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky? Where the author met Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky? Question 3. Why Tricky was hospitalized? Why Tricky was hospitalized? Question 4. What was the cause of Tricky's illness? What was the cause of Tricky's illness? Question 5. What were the eatables? What were the eatables Mrs. Pumphrey used to send for Tricky to the author's clinic? What were the eatables Mrs. Pumphrey used to send for Tricky to the author's clinic? So guys, this much for today. I have already narrated you only the synopsis of the story because I don't have the textbook, and you know the lockdown is going on. I am helpless. You are also the same. So the students, those who have the book, you can go through the book, Footprints Without Feet. The first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, and the 5 words already I have given you, and sure you have noted down in your copy. Already you have noted down all the words. So search the meaning and note it down in your notebook and the 5 questions. So till then, see you once again. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.